Okay, on your note card, double angle identities. What this is just another way of finding some hard to find angles. Now, the sine of 2x equals 2 times the sine of x times the cosine of x. 2 times the sine of x times the cosine of x. The cosine of 2x has 3 different ones you can use. One of them is cosine squared of x minus sine squared of x, or the cosine of 2x is also equal to 2 cosine squared of x minus 1, or you could use the cosine of 2x equals 1 minus sine squared of x. You can use any of those three. And the last double angle identity is the tangent of 2x, which is 2 tangent of x over 1 minus tangent squared of x. Okay. So, how do we do double angle identities? So, you're going to already know the answer before you start. Okay, and you go, well, why do we have to do this? Well, it's just going through the process of finding a double angle identity. Okay, so this won't be that bad. So let's say we wanted to find the sine of 120 degrees. Well, the sine of 120 is 2 times the sine of, or the sine of 2 times what? The sine of 2 times 60 degrees, right? So, 60 is x. Okay? So, what's the sine of 2x? Well, the sine of 2x is 2 times the sine of x times the cosine of x. So, in this case, since x is 60, it would be 2 times the sine of 60 times the cosine of 60. Or 2 times 1, or square root of 3 over 2 times 1/2. This 2 and this 2 cancel. If you multiply, it's square root of 3 over 2. Which, if you look at the sine of 120, yeah, it's square root of 3 over 2. So you're going to know the answer before you even start these problems. Okay, that's why I'm not going to assign very many. It's not going to take you very long to do. But I want you to go through the motions because you have to show your work on this on the test when you do it. Okay, let's do another one. Let's say we have the cosine of 90 degrees. That's a cosine of 2 times what? 45. Now, you might say, well, which cosine one should I use? It really doesn't matter. So let's just use the cosine squared of x minus the sine squared of x. And the 45 is x. So the cosine of 45, we're going to square that. And the sine of 45, and we're going to square that. Well, it's square root 2 over 2, and we're going to square that, minus square root 2 over 2, and we're going to square that, which is 2/4 minus 2/4, which is what? 0. Is the cosine of 90 0? Yep, it's like proving that, you can get the right answer. Okay? Let's do a couple more. The tangent of 2 pi over 3. What's the tangent? So that's the same as the tangent of 2 times pi over 3. Well, the tangent of 2x is equal to, now this one I don't always remember, 2 tangent of x over 1 minus tangent squared of x. So it's 2 times the tangent of pi over 3 over 1 minus the tangent of pi over 3 squared. What is the tangent of pi over 3? Well, it's the sine of pi over 3 over cosine of pi over 3, which is square root of 3 over 2 over 1/2. 2's cancel, so it's square root of 3 over 1, or just square root of 3. So you get 2 times the square root of 3 over 1 minus the square root of 3 squared. You good? So it's 2 square root of 3 over 1 minus 3. So it's 2 square root of 3 over negative 2, which is negative square root of 3. Okay? Can you do this? I don't think I assigned very many for this. Boom, 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 plan book. 1 through 3 all, 6 through 8 all. So, on page number 193, page 193, 1 through 3 all, 6 through 8 all.